Hello students, today we will study class 6th geography, chapter number 5, major domains of the earth. In previous topic we have discussed about atmosphere. And today we will discuss about biosphere. So our topic is biosphere, the domain of life. So first of all you must understand what is biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone of contact between the land, water and air. Between the land, water and air. Means atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere is connected with each other in biosphere. So you can say that the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere is biosphere. It is only zone where life exists, and there are several species of organisms that vary in size from microbes and bacteria to huge mammals. All the living organisms including humans are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. Means for survival they are dependent upon each other. The organism in biosphere may broadly be divided into the plant kingdom and also the animal kingdom. Okay, so the division is the plant. First is the plant kingdom, and second is the animal kingdom. So the three domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each others in some way of the other. For example, cutting of the forest for fulfilling our needs of wood or clearing the land for agriculture may lead to fast removal of soil from slopes, and similarly earth's surface may be changed due to the natural calamities like uh, earthquakes and flood. For example, there could be submergence of land as happened in the case of tsunami recently. So parts of Andaman and Nicobar islands were submerged underwater. So many times it happens due to the natural calamities. Our earth is changing. Means the changes can be seen, and discharge of waste material into lakes and rivers makes the water unsuitable for the human use. So it also damages other forms of life. So any activity which we are doing for survival, that is bringing change. And emission of industries, thermal power plants and vehicles pollute air, so that carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, it is increasing in the air. And increase in amount of carbon dioxide, that leads to the global warming, and temperature is increasing at global level, means at world level. And so that we must use these resources, we must use the resources at means at the limit level, or you can say that there must be limitation of the use of the resources. We must think before using the dangerous things which are involved in polluting the air, so that our survival will be possible on the earth. You are knowing that in biosphere all the people are connected, all the things are connected to each other. Even the plants are animals which are living on the lithosphere, they are also connected to the hydrosphere and also uh, atmosphere. So we must maintain the balance between the domains of the lithosphere, the atmosphere and the hydrosphere. So that was our last topic, biosphere. So it is completed, and your chapter is completed now. So I will give you question answer. Thank you.